Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to know about this amazing flat iron that I got, you know, this silk press baby, then make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay, I am totally kidding. If you can't tell by the title, this is a wig review. Now this wig, I'm doing something a little bit different. Actually something I've never done before. This is my first synthetic hair review. I've never done one before, okay? Now I saw this beauty on Amazon. I searched high and low to see how it looked on people, and it gave me what I've been searching for in the bob world. Now I am one that typically likes to throw a wig on and go, okay? I don't want to do a whole lot of work because sometimes, contrary to what you might think, I can be a little lazy when it comes to my own hair, okay? I know, you're like, what? But seriously, I want to go. I want to take it out the box and go. So this was that. This gave what it needed to give. We can't bleach the knots because it's synthetic, so that means they had to do a good job. Now obviously there are some things that I did to make this wig as natural as possible, so you will see that throughout this video. But for the most part, you can take, okay, listen, now hold on. But for the most part, you can take this wig out the box and go. Yes, go. Now I did decide to glue it down, but not like glue. I just used my lace melt spray. I think it's called lace melt spray, but it's by Wig Dealer, but you can use Ebine. You can use, what's the spray, the yellow bottle. You can pretty much use anything, or you can wear glueless. It's definitely up to you. I just am one, I'm very much into security. Just a little bit. So I personally will just do a light glue, you know, one that you can take off at the end of the night. You don't have to worry about your lace. So that's what I did here today. But you can also wear this lace glueless. It's definitely up to you. You'll see how I did make the part look a little bit more natural, and I did some of the bare minimum things that I like to do. Okay, but listen y'all, this is giving So this beautiful, affordable baby, I did end up purchasing from Amazon, but you can, of course, get it from Sensationnel's direct website. This is their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace wig. It is the What Lace line. It is the Hairline Illusion Lace wig. It's 100% premium fiber, so it's not real. This is not real human hair. This is a synthetic wig, aka fiber. Now, what makes them or this wig stand out is they do use HD lace. I think it's called HD lace. I don't know if they are marketing it as HD lace, but they are marketing it as a wig that does not have detectable lace. Now, they also do pre-customized hairlines. So your typical hairline is like, especially with synthetic wigs, it's usually really thick, but this one, as you guys will see or saw, it does have like, it has the pre-plucked hairline illusion, so you don't have to worry about that. But because I'm a little OCD, I did pluck just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit around the hairline. But honestly, I did so little, you don't need to do that either if you don't want to. Now, I did end up getting a number 2 because they didn't have a 1B or a 1. But you know what, the number 2 still, it looks really dark. It's still giving. It has like a natural density wig, so that's why it gives the illusion of a silk press, a blowout, whatever you want to call it. It is 13 by 6, hand tied and pre-plucked. So it does give the realistic look. With any like wig you get out the box, you do want to wash it. I'm not gonna lie, I did not wash this unit, but they do give instructions on how to wash it. You wash it with cold or lukewarm water. You just up and dab. You don't do all that because remember, this is synthetic. Another thing I do want to mention, because if you guys buy this wig and you're like, oh my gosh, this is gonna last forever and ever, absolutely not. And this is no shade towards Sensationnel. This is a synthetic wig. You are going to get a synthetic wear, okay? I mean, a little bit more depending on how you take care of your wigs. But I would not recommend sleeping in this wig, okay? I would absolutely take it off when you don't need to wear it. And if you do have to sleep in it one night, you know, because sometimes things happen. I get it, maybe. But if you can avoid it, do not sleep in this wig. This is not human hair, baby. This is synthetic. What does that mean? That means that it is not human hair. I don't know how else to explain that. It is just not human hair. So you can't just do what you do. And you can't even really do that with your human hair wigs. So even more so, you have to treat this wig extremely delicate. You know, I would honestly, this is just my experience with synthetic wigs in the past. I recommend take a little comb with you, not like a big comb or anything, just a little comb, maybe like something like this big without this, you know, and then just, you know, when you're out at happy hour, just go to the bathroom, you know, whenever you go to the bathroom, just comb it, comb, you know, sis. But it's really giving, y'all, like for real, this looks like I got a flat iron. This is absolutely giving. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. This is something that you just need in the archive. This is not the archives. This is just something you need to keep for the days where you don't want to like flat iron a wig. Let's say your husband, your spouse, whomever is like, you know what, let's go somewhere real quick. You're like, all right, cool, give me 30 minutes. This is the 30-minute get ready wig. Yes, this is you can put your makeup on, slap this bad boy on, and go. Absolutely. I think that's all, guys. I can't think of anything else that I need to tell you guys about this unit. I bought this unit with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. Like I shared with you guys before, make sure you guys do check me out on Instagram because it's just easier to post mini videos on there as opposed to the longer videos. So definitely follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions. I'm trying to do something with TikTok, so I'm also at Hairvolutions on TikTok, and of course at Hairvolutions IG on Twitter. But if you guys love this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you want me to do more synthetic videos, make sure you write that in the comments because I don't know unless y'all tell me. But until next time, sis, it's been a pleasure.